if you struggle on trying to use Y Cruncher, you can do this. You can click on this, the config, and download it. After you have downloaded it, you can put it here in the same folder as the ycruncher.exe. And after you have made that, what you want to do next is, just by following this instruction right here, you need to adjust the settings, especially this one. For me, I only have 8 cores, which means that I have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means that I have 8 cores, and all 8 of my cores will be going to be used. And the total memory, you just have to put the total memory that you're going to test. These are in bytes, so what you want to do is bytes to GB, right? Head into this website and swap it, and you want, for instance, you want to use 10 gigabyte. Just have to copy this and put it here. Okay, after you have done that, and then the test that you want to run. For me, I want to run FFT. I want to run FFT, so I just put FFT here between these commas, and then I'm done. And after that, follow the next instruction, which is create a shortcut. This is the shortcut that I made. You can make it by right clicking this and create a shortcut. After that, you have to click on properties and add this pause one. So look like this, like this. So just after the commas, you can just put a space and then pause, just copy and paste it. And after that, you're all done. You can just open the Y Cruncher like this and it will run. Well, there you go. Hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.